Hi guys, welcome back to our course Ethical Hacking from Zero to Mastery. As I said in the previous lecture, we are diving into the actual course. Now, we are going to start our lecture 2. Here we are going to learn what is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves authorized attempt of gathering unauthorized access to the target system. It means there will be a client system which we are gonna hack with the permissions of owner of the target system. And also, ethical hacking is an authorized practice where we are able to find the vulnerabilities of the target system. And authorized means giving official permission from the owner to access the target mission. And then we can able to dive into the system, and also we can make changes as like we want to do. Next, what does ethical hackers do? Ethical hackers are hired to hack a device and networks or servers. This hiring process is done by the certain organization or certain company, and this is a legal process. Now we have to know, can we get into trouble by doing this? Obviously no. We won't get into any trouble by this work because we are hired by an organization. Hence, we are only hacking that particular organization data or their servers. So there is no risk. This process comes under white hat hacking. Next, we are gonna discuss about the difference between white hat hacker and black hat hacker. White hat hackers do hacking for the protection purpose, whereas black hat hackers do the same process for the theft purpose. And now let us know about white hat and black hat hackers in a brief way. First, white hat hacker. A white hat hacker is an individual who uses hacking skills to identify security vulnerabilities in hardware, software, or networks. White hat hackers only seek vulnerabilities or exploits when they are legally permitted to do so. White hat hackers may do their research on open source software as well as on software or systems they own or have been authorized to investigate, including products and services that operate bug bounty programs. These types of programs reward individuals with money for disclosing security flaws. Unlike black or grey hat hackers, white hat hackers fully disclose all the vulnerabilities they find to the company or product owner who is responsible for fixing the flaws. So, the issues can be resolved before they are exploited by malicious hackers. And white hat hackers disclose all the vulnerabilities they find to the party responsible for the system. Usually, the company or vendor that makes the affected product. A black hat hacker has no qualms about selling vulnerabilities and exploits to the highest bidder. Now, we are going to learn who are black hat hackers. Many black hat hackers started as novice scripted kiddies using purchased hacker tools to exploit security lapses. And some were trained to hack by bosses eager to make a fast buck. The upper echelon of black hats tends to be skilled hackers who work for criminal organizations that sometimes provide collaboration tools for their workers and offer service agreements to customers, just like legitimate businesses. And black hat malware kits sold on the dark web sometimes even include warranties and customer service. Not surprisingly, black hat hackers often develop specialties such as phishing or managing remote access tools. Many get their jobs through forums and other connections on the dark web. Some develop and sell malicious software themselves, but others prefer to work through franchises or through leasing arrangements, just like in the legitimate business world. And distributing malicious software isn't difficult. partly because hacking today operates like big business. Organizations boast partners, resellers, vendors, and associates, and they buy and sell licenses for malware to the other criminal organizations for use in the new regions or markets. So, finally, ethical hacking is an authorized attempt to gain unauthorized access to a computer system, application, or data. Carrying out an ethical hack involves duplicating strategies and actions of malicious attackers. This practice helps to identify security vulnerabilities which can then be resolved before a malicious attacker has the opportunity to exploit them. So this is our lecture 2. Till now we have learned about the theory knowledge. So from the next lecture onwards we are going to concentrate on the practical knowledge as well. So thanks for watching guys. Let's catch up in the next